paid. You can hit Glassdoor. I always recommend the big three: Glassdoor, Indeed, ZipRecruiter. Now
Okay.
on Glassdoor, this is actually going to show you, and all the links work. It's actually going to show you what your value is based on. So let's pop this in. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. All right.
Okay.
Sales manager. Oh, it's going to make me do it's been a minute.
Okay, like the another one that I've seen that looks interesting is a claims representative. How do you go from just being an insurance agent, not necessarily on the sales end, but then getting involved in taking people's claims? Just this in a month or so, I go around to my community mailbox and holy smoke, somebody's garage with their two cars was on fire, and the fire department put it out. And every time I go to get my mail, it's interesting to watch how the service pro people have come in, and of course the first responders put out the fire, and you just saw their cars in ash the next week, and then they're separating the damaged material out with a dumpster. And then I'm sure they're working with their insurance company, but it's just kind of real life for me. And I thought, how cool is that to be able to help someone who has had damage to their house? So
Agreed.
that's kind of interesting to me to see what a claims representative does, if you want to use that as an example.
That's perfect. And I don't know if you're watching my screen.
I am.
Um, but just while you were talking, it's the art of multitasking. But just
Yeah.
while you were talking, I was putting in how much would a claim representative make with 1 to 2 years of experience in the insurance industry in my area, and it's going to show me. So Glassdoor is a perfect resource.
Okay.
So,
Go
companies can say you can make 80, 100K a year, but the proof is in the pudding. So I love Glassdoor for this. I
Okay.
love it. It's beautiful. Now, if you are, oh, was it going to, there we go. Let's go back. Too many tabs, too many tabs. If you are looking for employment in claims adjuster, and I'm just going to use my area. That way you don't have to disclose where you are because this will be shared. Claims adjuster. It's going to show you on Indeed exactly what their expectations are, and you can create a profile and apply directly from here.
Oh, that's really cool, Mary.
Isn't that great? And,
Yeah.
and then back on free resources, because again, this is something that I collected for myself. I'm just happy
Oh,
to share it. I'm just happy it's helping people.
oh,
You
I
can hop
love
in
that.
to ZipRecruiter, which is the third thing, search jobs. Again, we're going to put in claims. Okay, claims adjuster. I'm going to say Chandler. So we're just going to do my area. That way you don't have to disclose. And it will show me, 100. And if you want to be notified. So quite literally, I've had Indeed set up for quite some time, and I am notified often of jobs in my area. I prefer to be independent though. absolutely can. But you have to keep in mind a 1 or 2 year agent that is producing that way has to have the right guidance, the right training, right? I mean, maybe they come from a sales background, maybe they came from a financial background. So there are some, but keep in mind 90% of new agents fail. And why is that? A lot of time it's training. Now, if I'm going